Hello everyone, this is Pratheek and I am going to tell you how to implement stack using this Python programming in arrays. So let me take an empty stack and now. So for an output I have to print a statement to select a choice. So I am printing a menu for this stack and operations of this menu are: first operation is push, and second operation is pop. We are giving number 2 for this operation pop, and third operation is display. You can also take peak, but pop and peak are almost same, so we have not taken this peak. And now I take some variable ch is equals to 0. Now while 1, or I'm taking while 1, if while the condition is 1, I'm taking ch is equals to int of input of enter. I want to enter the choice whether I need to push a pop or what. Now if choice is equals to 1, push, I'm pushing a value into the stack. So and the value is, I want to take the value from keyboard, so I write int of input of enter value and print stack. I'm printing the stack of first. Then if ch equals to 2, pop of stack. Then after popping the stack, I'll print stack. Now if ch equals to 3, then I display stack. I'm calling the function display. So everything is ready. Else print enter valid choice, break. Everything is okay. Now I have called these functions print, display, pop, push, but where are these functions? So I need to mention these functions, right? So I'm writing these functions. First I'll write push function. I'll define push function def push of stack comma item. I'm taking a variable item, so I want to push the value item into the stack. So I have already given this choice enter value, and this value will be placed into the item, and item will be pushed back to the stack. Now if length of stack is equals to n, so I didn't define n, right? So here I'm defining n is equals to int of input of enter size of stack. I'm defining size of the stack, and this finished, and I'm going back to the function. If length of stack is equals to n, then print. I'll be printing a statement that stack is overflow. We cannot insert no more items into the stack. This means we cannot insert any more items into the stack, and I am returning the value to the push function. Else if this statement is not true, means if the stack is not overflow and the item that will be given into the item will be given is pushed into the stack. So I'll take stack dot append of item. The item that is given is taken into the stack and pushed back. Now this push function is defined, and I'll define now pop function, pop of stack. In the pop, there is no need to take any value or pushing the value, popping value. Just I'll take the stack and remove the topmost element from the stack. So if length of stack is 0, print if there are no elements in the stack, there will be no element to pop out. So stack is underflow, or we can also say stack is empty, and I am returning back the cursor to the pop. Else we have predefined function pop, so I'll take stack dot pop, and it will be the value will be pop back. Now the pop is completed, and I'm defining the function display. What I'm displaying, I want to display stack. So if same length of stack is equals to 0, then I must print stack is empty. As there are no elements in the stack, we cannot see what are the elements present in the stack. So I print stack is empty, and I'll return back my cursor. Else print stack. This is a function what I write, and this is all about this program, and we can now execute our program successfully. So I'll save my program. Stacks. I'll implement this, and I'll run this program. So enter the size of the stack. I need the size of stack. Let us take size 5. So what the operation I must do is push, pop, or display. So I want to push an element. So I take 1. So what element I want to push? I want to push element 3 into the stack. So I have pushed 3. So value is pushed into 3. So right. Let me check something. There was an error. Enter value choice. Break. So there was an error that I have didn't write this elif. So if choice is not equal to 1, I'll go with second choice. So I must write elif, and I have modified this, and I'm running back my program. I've saved my program, and I'm running my program. So enter the size of stack. I need the size of stack as 5, and the operations are given. I take push operation, choice 1, enter value. The value I give will be pushed into the stack. I give value 3, and the 3 is pushed in the stack, and I want to again push a value into the stack. I have taken choice 1 and entering value 2, and 3 comma 2 is pushed in the stack. And I'm again pushing the value in the stack. I have taken value 6, 3 to 6 are pushed into the stack. And I'm taking a push operation again, 2, 3 to 6 2 is pushed in the stack. I want to display the stack. What are the elements in the stack? I want to display. So the elements are displayed, and now I want to pop an element from the stack. Element is popped. I want to pop another element is popped. I want to pop the element is popped. I want to pop the element is popped. So if I try to pop the element again, it shows that stack is underflow. If I want to push an element again, I can push an element. So again I'm getting back the elements. If I want to display elements, I can display element. If I want to popped, stack is underflow. If I want to display, stack is empty. If I want to push, again I can push the value. And this is all about implementation of stacks using arrays. Thank you for watching. Signing off. ఆగు 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 క్లోజ్ ఇంకేడా ఆఫ్ చేయడం వీడియో అరే ఎంత వస్తలేదు అది ఇంకా ఇప్పుడైతుంది